Everyone thinks the best-selling home generator is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Ozone Generator 45,000 milligrams per hour. The Ozone Generator 45,000 milligrams per hour by BASVOX, priced at $47.98. This caught my eye because of its powerful odor elimination capabilities. If you want to kick bad smells to the curb, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This ozone machine can cover an area up to 2,500 square feet, which is perfect for homes, cars, or even industrial spaces. It eliminates odors from pets, cooking, and other sources that can linger in your environment. With a maximum ozone output of 45,000 milligrams per hour, it's designed to tackle even the toughest smells. The touch control method makes it user-friendly, and given that over 5,000 units were bought just in the past month, people clearly trust it. Now, some people complained about the strong ozone smell it emits during usage. Here's the thing though, that pungent odor is just part of the process. If you're using it properly and ventilating afterward, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have persistent odors in your living space or vehicle. Skip this one if you're sensitive to strong smells during operation. For its price, it's genuinely a good value for those looking to freshen up their environment. Now, if the ozone smell concerns you, this next option takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, CyberPower CP1500 AVRL-CD3 UPS. The CyberPower CP1500 AVRL-CD3 Intelligent LCD UPS system. I found this intriguing because it not only backs up power, but also regulates it, which is crucial for protecting your devices. This device protects against power surges while offering backup power for up to 900 watts. With 12 outlets, you can connect multiple devices, and its automatic voltage regulation, AVR, corrects minor fluctuations without switching to battery power, which extends the battery life. The multifunction LCD display keeps you informed about battery status, so you won't be left in the dark during an outage. With over 3,000 units sold recently, this indicates a strong demand. Now, some reviews mention that it can be a bit bulky to move around. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it in a fixed location like a home office or entertainment center, that's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have essential electronics like computers or gaming consoles that you want to protect. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for portable use. Considering its features, it's a solid investment for reliable power protection. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for emergency situations.
Product number 3, Jockery Explorer 2000 V2. The Jockery Explorer 2000 V2 portable power station is up next, and it's making waves with an impressive capacity of 2,042 watt-hours and a weight of only 39.5 pounds. This caught my attention for its portability and high output. Here's why this matters for you. With 2,200 watts of total output, you're looking at a power station capable of handling everything from home backup to camping needs. Fast charging is another highlight. You can get it charged from 0 to 80% in just 66 minutes. Plus, it features a whisper quiet operation mode, making it perfect for nighttime use. Its long-lasting Li-Fe Po4 battery ensures safety and longevity, with a lifespan of up to 10 years, which is impressive given how many people rely on temporary power solutions. Some users did mention that it can be pricey compared to smaller units. Here's the thing though, if you need substantial power and don't want to compromise on quality, this investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself in need of power during outdoor activities or emergencies. Skip this if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option. With its features, it provides excellent value for portable power. Now, if you need something even more powerful, let's talk about the next product, which really steps it up.
Product number 4, Ego Power Plus Portable Power Station. We have the Ego Power Plus Portable Power Station, which packs a punch with 3,000 watt peak power. Honestly, it's pretty impressive for battery power generation. Here's why this matters for you. This unit is designed for home and outdoor use, making it a versatile option for anyone who needs reliable power while on the go. It's lightweight at just 30.9 pounds, which is a plus for portability. However, it does not include the battery and charger, which can add to your overall cost if you don't already have them. Some reviews pointed out that it can be less effective for high-demand appliances. Here's the thing though, if your primary need is for smaller devices or tools, it will suit you just fine. This is perfect for you if you're often out camping or working remotely and need something lightweight. Skip this if you need to power larger appliances regularly. It's a decent option, especially if you already have batteries that are compatible. Now, if you're looking for something even more affordable and compact, the last product might surprise you.
Product number 5, Ozone Generator 48,000 milligrams. Let's check out the Ozone Generator 48,000 milligrams, a compact yet powerful machine. Coming in at just $39.86, it's a great option for those on a budget. Here's why this matters for you. With a maximum ozone output of 48,000 milligrams per hour, it can effectively cover spaces up to 4,000 square feet, making it suitable for both home and commercial use. It's designed to eliminate odors by changing the molecular structure of the air, which means it can tackle some of the toughest smells, like smoke and pet odors. The easy-to-use interface allows you to set the ozone generation time with just a turn of a knob. However, a common complaint is that it needs to be used in unoccupied spaces, which can be inconvenient. Here's the thing. If you're prepared to ventilate the area properly afterward, it's an excellent solution for odor management. This is perfect for you if you have large spaces that need regular deodorizing. Skip this if you're looking for something that can operate while people or pets are present. For its price, it's a fantastic option for those serious about odor elimination.
In summary, we've looked at 5 compelling home generators: the Ozone Generator 45,000 milligrams per hour for strong odor elimination, CyberPower CP1500 AVR LCD3 for power protection, Jackery Explorer 2000 V2 for portable power needs, Ego Power Plus for lightweight battery options, and the Ozone Generator 48,000 milligrams for budget-friendly deodorizing. Each has its strengths depending on your specific needs. Make sure to consider what fits your lifestyle best.